Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and I'm so excited. I have my Camp Chef flat top cast iron grill, and today we're going to prepare a great grilled sourdough breakfast sandwich. So let's get started. As you can see, I have my mise en place set up on the shelves, and we're ready to go. Okay, so I'm only going to use 2 burners out of the 4, and on this side right now I have them set on medium, and I just want to give it a little squirt of water to make sure, yep, they are ready. First, we're going to start with 4 slices of bacon. Got to get your bacon going first because it takes the longest. Get it up in that high right-hand corner. That way, if any grease is coming down, you can move the grease back up. Put him right there. Oh boy. I'm sure my neighbors are going to start showing up, wanting some good stuff off this grill this summer. All right, I think the bacon is pretty much done. Like I said, I don't have these 2 burners on, but it's still very warm just because of the transfer of heat. So we'll put our bacon over here, and it'll stay nice and warm. All right, so now that we have some of this nice bacon grease, I'm just going to take a paper towel, kind of spread it around. All right, our next thing we're going to throw down are 3 big slices of heirloom tomatoes. I'm going to grill those for just a few minutes. Of course, we got to hit it with some kosher salt from the heavens, followed by fresh cracked pepper. All right, after a couple minutes, give them a flip. All right, so a minute on that side, we're going to slide them over, get them off that direct heat. Ooh, yeah, they're going to get a little mushy. That's okay. Here we go with a little bit of oil. Get our eggs on there. And I've got 3 large brown eggs that I've already whisked up. Your egg's going to want to travel. Has a mind of its own here. As soon as I throw them down, hit it with a little salt, some fresh chives from the garden, a little black pepper. Okay, after it's almost set up, let's try and give it a flip. Oh, perfect. Okay, last step, we're going to lay down the sourdough, which has 2 slices of American cheese. And then on the other side, I've already buttered and patted in fresh grated parmesan. So maybe give it just a little oil, just to give it some more non-stickiness. And when you lay your bread down, move it around a little bit. There we go. All right. Get our egg on there, followed by our grilled tomatoes. It's like an Irish breakfast sandwich. Let's lay our bacon strips on there. All right, everybody, it is done. You cut this guy in half and it's good enough for 2 people. So let's dig in. Okay, let's give this a cut. Set it on our little block there. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at this. The gooiness, the cheese, the roasted tomatoes, bacon, egg. All right, everyone, it's time to take a bite of this ultimate great grilled sourdough breakfast sandwich. Remember, if you're liking these videos, like, share, subscribe, notification bell. You'll be notified every time I make a new video. And as always, thanks for tuning in.